Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Mankotia and I am from Himachal Pradesh, and I'm pursuing my BTech and I'm in the 8th semester of my mechanical engineering, and I'm from mechanical department from CGC Jhanjeri. I have great experience here in EME Technologies, and I got this reference from my friend and a great guidance from Raman Preet ma'am. She is an associate here, and as well as I have got experience from Swayam sir, who teaches us about SolidWorks software and as well as industrial engineering guidance. And I'm very glad to know that all the friends also took software training over here, and I feel that this institute is very talented people are over here, and everyone or every aspirants who want to do a great software course here should have a meeting over here and take an experience. It is very good and fantastic mentors over here. Thank you.